Here we go with today's top 5 synthetic oil filters you can easily find on Amazon right now. An oil filter with high quality will aid in elimination of the contaminants and enable engine internals protection. So let's get started. The Royal Purple Extended Life Oil Filter is our top choice for the best synthetic oil filter on Amazon. It is recommended highly due to its outstanding performance, which results from the use of 100% synthetic microglass media that ensures 99% of the harmful contaminants removal, even those as small as 25 microns. This translates to using the cleanest oil in the engine, which ensures better performance, less wear and tear, and as a result, the engine surely will last for a long time. Moreover, it has an extended service interval, which means that you can go longer between oil changes and thus you will save money in the long run. The second place is the Mobile One Extend Performance Oil Filter. The second most well-liked the filter, it is said to excel in dirt holding capacity and oil flow consistency. The synthetic blend media is a perfect combination of filtration efficiency and oil pressure. It traps a wide range of contaminants while allowing for optimal oil pressure. Additionally, it was designed for extended services. Besides, it's a perfect option for those who want to take their oil change intervals to a new level. At the number 3, we meet the KNEN Performance Gold Oil Filter. This is the most popular filter among performance enthusiasts because of its high flow rate design and heavy-duty construction. The pleated synthetic screen provides superior filtration, trapping the smallest debris, and the 1-inch thread on top makes its removal easy. And it comes with a 1,000,000-mile warranty from KNEN, so it's a win-win situation. Coming fourth is a Bosch Distance ESS high-performance oil filter. This filter is designed for longer service intervals, which makes it a perfect choice for people who want to have their cars serviced less often. An advanced media technology only in this filter captures all the dirt and contaminants very well without decreasing the oil flow, and therefore your engine stays protected even under the toughest operating circumstances. Finally, the last on our list is the PuroLator Boss Maximum Engine Protection Oil Filter. This filter has been designed to cope with the most challenging driving conditions, so it is the perfect one for those who like to drive their cars to the maximum. Smart Fusion technology combines a synthetic media process blends with a silicone anti-drain back valve, thus leading to reduced wear and tear as well as smooth starting up. All the links are in the description box below. Do not forget that the right oil filter is the key to the safe operation of your engine and its high performance. Please make sure it matches your vehicle before any purchases. Thanks for watching. Do me a favor, like this video and hit that subscribe button. Also, click the bell notification so that you would never miss an update.